Oh yeah, look at that beautiful house. It's now mine. Bought this thing a couple of weeks ago. I had to wait for them to move out so I can move in, and I did, so I just wanted to make this video. What? What was this here?
Day one of the blizzard, we are trapped in the basement.
What?
We're trapped!
Day two of the blizzard, we figured out how to get out of the basement.
Hey, look, there's an open path.
Yeah, look, the door was never locked.
We never solved this. It was wide open. Okay.
Day three of the blizzard, we are running low on food.
There's water. You're thirsty.
Day four of the blizzard, we joined the army.
How do you join the army if you're trapped?
Day five of the blizzard, the hunger is messing with our heads. Day five of the blizzard, the hunger is messing with our heads. Day six of the blizzard, I ate Jimmy.
Because that's not cannibalism.
Day six of the blizzard, I found out it was summer.
Stupid.
Day seven of the blizzard, someone's following me.
Okay then. Day 7 of the blizzard. Someone's chasing me.
you think you're going?
Wow. Gonna smell you. I was gonna smell you.
Don't do that! Just get it done with and drag me away.
Wah, wah. Sorry. Wah, wah.
Stop doing that.
Dude, it's not funny anymore. Waga. Come on, shut up. 3, 2, 1. Stop.
I can't!
Just laugh.